Tired of setting up cameras, fixing lights, or stressing out about being on screen? Imagine just typing a script, picking a style, and instantly having a lifelike host delivering your message. No filming, no makeup, no stress. That's right. Just a professional looking video in minutes, powered by CapCut's AI avatar. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get creative. I've tested plenty of AI tools before, but this one feels like a whole new level for creators who don't want to be on camera or just want to add a variety to their content. So in this video, I'm putting CapCut's AI avatar to the test to see if it really looks as realistic as they claim, and whether it can be a real powerful tool for creators like us. Okay, I'm on AI Video Maker, and we're going to make a faceless video. Okay, you go to Avatar Videos. I'm going over to Recommended, and I'm going to look for professional. Let's check it out.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create video with CapCut? Press Next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Very nice. Very nice.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press Next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Nice. I want someone more professional.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press Next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
That's the one, Edmund. All right. Let's put the prompt in so they could generate a script for me. Top 5 ways to build credit. We're going to do this for 3 minutes, and I'm going to change Edmund's voice. Okay, they have so many voices to choose from. Let's see. Wow. Variety. Let's check out Glenn.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Okay, Glenn, you're in. I'm going to use Glenn's voice with Edmund's avatar. We're going to do this. They're generating a whole script in a video now. Wow.
I'm going to show you the top 5 ways to build credit. Now, the first way is by becoming an authorized user on somebody else's credit card.
Wow. Let's just change the caption so we can light up and emphasize words as Edmund speaks. All right.
I'm going to show you the top 5 ways to build credit. Now, the first way is by becoming an authorized user on somebody else's credit card. Now, this can be a parent, it can be a friend, it could be a sibling. What is going to happen is that their credit history will start to build your credit.
Wow. That was so lifelike. Did you see his eyebrows moving and his forehead like wrinkling? It was real. That was awesome. Now, that's the type of avatar you would want to use for faceless videos. They have a variety of avatars. And if you don't want to show your face, but you want to get your information across on your channel or your Instagram page or your TikToks videos, your reels, you can use an AI avatar. They have a variety, as you can see, different looks. Some were dressed up, some were casual, depending what the subject matter is about. I use Edmund because he was in a suit, and I wanted a professional look because I was speaking about credit. So I could put that on my channel now because I have a finance money channel all about business and entrepreneurship, and it fits my brand. That was awesome. All right, let's make another avatar, AI avatar. Go to AI avatar videos. I'm going to another category. Let's check out fitness. Oh, they have a lot of fitness.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press Next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Okay, Michelle, like it. Okay, I put in a script. All right, and let's see how it comes out. Wow, it's generating right now. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, let's see. Michelle's going to be my avatar for this video that I'm putting on Instagram. Okay. It's loading and it's You could also change any of the script, by the way. You can.
Did you know that working out can actually save you a ton of money?
All right, yes. I'm going to change the captions because it's all white and I want the words to pop.
Did you know that working out can actually save you a ton of money? Here are 5 ways that staying fit can keep more cash in your pocket. No. 5.
Okay, we're going to change that. See, I told you you could change anything. We'll have her say number 5. Yes. See how quick that was? We could change anything and it'll just replace it. It's applying to the avatar as we speak.
Did you know that working out can actually save you a ton of money? Here are 5 ways that staying fit can keep more cash in your pocket. Number 5, it lowers your healthcare costs.
Very, very nice, Michelle. Oh my goodness, she looks real.
Did you know that working out can actually save you a ton of money? Here are 5 ways that staying fit can keep more cash in your pocket. Number 5, it lowers your healthcare costs. By staying fit, you reduce your risk of getting chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, which can cost you a fortune in medical bills.
That's true, Michelle. Great job. And I like it because I was looking for a fitness person to speak about healthy habits and ways you can, the benefits of being healthy. And I like that she had the whole workout gear on and she showed she was fit and then she looks like an expert in what she's talking about. So you can do that in any subject. That just shows you any topic, any niche that you want to speak about and you're looking for that particular avatar, they have it. And it will go right on brand, right on target. I love it. All right, I'm on avatar video. We're going to find someone for a podcast. All right, I have some sports news and I want to get the news out for my other channel, of course. Now let's see. Gregory.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Gregory, you are a star, okay? I put the script in. This is real, actual news. And Gregory, this is real news. And Gregory's going to speak about it. This is awesome. I'm excited. Okay, let's see. It's generating the whole video now. He looks real. He looks really real. Okay. This is how you can get your news out.
In sports news, a one-of-a-kind basketball card featuring Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan, complete with their autographs and NBA logo patches, is hitting the auction block and has already pulled in bids over $5 million.
What in the... That was awesome. That was awesome. Did you just see that? I'm going to download this video. This is if like you want to give out news and different things like that, or for a podcast, this is what you do. This is...
In sports news, a one-of-a-kind basketball card featuring Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan, complete with their autographs and NBA logo patches, is hitting the auction block.
That was real. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Now you can do podcasts. Sky's the limit, okay? Sky's the limit on what you can do. I just prompted real news that I found on the internet. I was like, okay, this is real. This is good stuff for my other channel. And I put it in. And Gregory is telling the information. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. That's great if you do podcasting or you have a sports channel or things like that. That's awesome. Great job. And that's the CapCut AI avatar. Seriously, how wow is that? Oh my goodness. It was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. No camera, no mic, no setup stress. Just type your script and let your digital self do the talking. It's quick, it's clean, and it looks way more professional than you expected, right? Okay. If you're sleeping on this, you're missing out because this is where video creation is heading. Don't stay behind. Step up with the CapCut AI avatar and see for yourself. Link is in the description. Let's do this. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with CapCut AI avatars. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.